right? Canadian Hindu groups draw the red line after attacks on Hindu temples, after brazen pro-Khalistani attempt to violate the rights of those Hindus there. Hindu groups now decide that they will no more allow or entertain anyone into their temple premises for any political event. The Hindu group says no political effort against hate, no action on the K-mob, no temple entry. Basically, to say that there won't be anyone from the government who will be allowed into any kind of Hindu temple premises because the government has not acted on the Khalistani mob that's intimidated and attacked them. Last 24 hours has been tense. Hindu groups claim that Khalistani mobs came at them. And in fact, many of them, many young devotees were also beaten. And they accused the cops as well as a Khalistani mob who carried out this attack. Now you have Hindu groups specifically stating they won't allow anyone into their temple premises until unless action is not taken against the Khalistani mob. Milind, our correspondent, joining us for more details on this. Milind, give us more on what the Hindu groups have decided, taken a stern stand not to entertain any political events or allow any politician inside their temple premises. And this comes right in time when elections in Canada are also just around the corner. Give us more details.
Well, Nabila, all this has happened in the backdrop of the Khalistani supporters attacking the Hindu Canadians, as we saw right outside the temple of Hindu Mahasabha in Brampton in Toronto. And after that, there have been several rounds of meetings of the Hindu Canadian groups with the police over there as well, because the major allegation now is being seen in the videos that the Hindu Canadians were not given that kind of protection. Remember that letters were written way ahead of time to provide security vigilance as well as enhanced security measures to the Hindu Canadians, especially around the Hindu religious places of worship because of the sensitivity of the issue. And as you can see, the Khalistani protest that we saw, the violence that was meted out was pre-planned because there had been calls from the Khalistanis to protest right near the Hindu religious places and target the Hindu Canadians, which is why there is the backlash that we're looking at right now from the Hindu Canadian side, who are being unfairly targeted, as they say, because they have nothing to do, with the Khalistan movement or, in fact, the anger that is being seen from the Khalistan terrorists and supporters towards the Indian government, and they are being soft targeted. And we did see that, Justin Trudeau, members of his party were invited by certain Hindu groups within Canada as well to celebrate Diwali, which is the biggest Hindu festival in the world. So clearly, Hindu groups now getting together, at least in Canada, to send out a message that we are a peace-loving community and we don't want, to get embroiled in this kind of violence that is being meted out. And especially when no response or no protection is being provided by the Canadian police under the name of freedom of speech, which these Khalistani, supporters are protesting on the Nijjar killing. Back to you, Nabila.
Right. Milind, thanks very much for joining us.